Watch toy trains and everything.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Like train. Oh, we got stuck. Who's?
Look at this. Look at all the dioramas. Wow. All right, you got to be very careful. No touching, Hero. Here comes the train. Look out, look out. Oh, it's going around. Awesome. We had a bit of a derailment, but we're getting it back on track. Oh, he just switched it.
Hi.
Is it gonna work? Watch, watch.
Put him up here.
Working on it.
Come over here and look.
Cal, come look.
Come look. Is it on the track?
Is it back on the track?
Okay, thank you.
And why did you switch the track? Oh,
It's moving. We're coming up on another switch. Oh, going straight through. Look at that. We got a winter scene. It's pretty cool.
and the airport.
Look, this isn't just any airport. This is a Star Wars port. Right in the middle of the railroad. How awesome is that?
Yes, it is.
Are you just mesmerized? Come look at this village.
That man will give me a special look.
He said that?
Not yet.
I think that you might be just making that up. Calder, do you have a favorite part of the train, of the track, that you like the best? Ooh, this one's got a river on it. With a tunnel. Yeah. And another tunnel.
Yeah.
Everybody came down here. basement to hide for them. Well, this would be a safe place, yeah.
Come here. Come here. Look, Calder, look. Look at the dog. Is it? Maybe. Sorry. Here it comes. That is a big, long freight train. Hero, where are you? Hero? Oh, there you are. Okay. Good. Stay right by me, please. It's keeping his horn fast.
What's that thing called?
Look at all the tank cars.
I thought I needed another.
What's this one hauling? It's got 3 engines hauling, because this is a big long train. Look at that. Hero, I'm watching you.
Ooh, hoppers. So many hoppers.
Look! Look up
Wow.
Why don't we go?
I like looking at the buildings and all the cars and the details that they add. Isn't it amazing?
I got
What's
to
this?
see the train come by.
Some kind of truck?
Oh,
Is it a train railroad crossing?
look. Yes. And it failed.
Yep, it's down because the train's coming. Oh, that's why you can't touch anything. See? Something fell over because they're very delicate and tiny. So no touching. Because everything you touch, they have to go back and fix. Look at all these tracks. Oh.
Here comes another train.
All right. That's the Chesapeake in Ohio.
I thought it was Texas and Ohio.
Look, they've got a big factory right here. Or some kind of industrial calder. Oh, look, the fans are spinning.
Blow up a fan. Look.
Did it honk? It honked at you. Oh, what's going on at the house? They're having some kind of barbecue. That looks super fun. Should we get a house like that right next to the railroad tracks? Oh, the Ohio, Chesapeake and Ohio is coming really fast.
It's gonna need another way.
Oh yeah? Awesome. What do you think, Cal? Is the caboose your favorite? Watch. Come here. Come here. Watch under the bridges.
There's the train.
Here it comes.
That train. That train must go back. Oh, let's go backwards.
Oh, is it going? It's starting to go. But I like looking at all the buildings too. There's so many details. So many details that people have done on these. They're beautiful. Yeah.